In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect files in Microsoft Word. Securing your documents with a password is an essential step to keep sensitive information safe, whether you're working with personal files, business documents, or confidential reports. By setting a password, you ensure that only authorized users can open or edit your document. To begin, open the Word document that you want to protect. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of the screen to access the Backstage menu. From the menu, select Info. Here, you will see a Protect Document button. Click on it to reveal several options for securing your document. Next, select Encrypt with Password. A small window will appear, prompting you to enter a password. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. After typing your password, click OK. Word will ask you to re-enter the password to confirm it. Make sure you remember this password, because if it is lost, you will not be able to access the document. Once confirmed, your Word file is now encrypted and password protected. Every time someone tries to open the file, Word will prompt them to enter the password. Without the correct password, the document cannot be accessed, ensuring that your information remains secure. If you want to remove the password later, simply open the protected document and enter the password. Then, go back to File, select Info, click Protect Document, and choose Encrypt with Password. Delete the existing password from the field and click OK. This will remove the protection, allowing anyone to access the document without a password. For additional security, consider saving a backup of your document in a secure location, such as an external drive or cloud storage, in case you forget the password. Remember to keep the password safe and avoid sharing it publicly. Password protecting a Microsoft Word document is a quick and effective way to safeguard your files, providing peace of mind that your sensitive information is protected. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.